Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you guys? Hope you all are safe and also you must be taking care yourself and your loved ones. Today I will share how we spent our special day, that is our 15th anniversary. It was on Thursday, 3rd June. Thursday here in Gulf, it is like a start of weekend, so little we were relaxed and also husband was work from home. So we decided to go for dinner. So here I am preparing sandwiches. We decided to have breakfast heavy and we will skip lunch. Not exactly skip, we'll have fruit instead of proper lunch as dinner is outside in the restaurant. Here I used green chutney that is made up of raw mango and dhania, that is coriander, and for stuffing used boiled potato, coriander and some spices. So very simple basic sandwich. Along with sandwiches, usually I like to have chai, but beetroot and carrots were there in the fridge, so preparing some juice. And it's good actually, it's summer, so it's better to have juice instead of chai. I have taken beetroot, carrot, ginger, lemon, and some mint. Everything I will put in a blender jar and I'll make juice out of it. Also, I will add salt as per taste. Adding lemon juice really it gives a good taste, otherwise it's little weird taste of this juice, so lemon is must. After grinding, separate roughages from it, and this will not throw as it has good content of dietary fiber. So I will store this in a airtight container, and next day I will use this in either paratha or raita, or maybe I can make sandwiches like that. I'll see what tomorrow we will plan, and accordingly I will utilize this. Adding some ice cubes like just to beat the heat. Here in Qatar, temperature is rising day by day, so like we started craving for cold drinks or cold juices. Not exactly cold drink, but something to have cold, either buttermilk juice or some cold coffee like that. And look at this color, so lovely. It is fresh and also healthy. We should always add colors to our life, even for our food, clothes, etc. We have spent 15 years together. Life showed us many ups and downs, but bond between us never disturbed because of faith. Faith is just believing in what you cannot see. A strong relationship requires choosing to love each other even in those moments when you struggle to like each other. So it's our duty to trust and show our kids good relationship can be made Just we have to understand and give space to our partner. Here I am making chocolate cake. Recipe I will share some other day. Here I would like to share one tip. Always sprinkle some flour on choco chips before adding to batter. Reason of coating choco chips with flour is to prevent choco chips from sinking to bottom while baking cake. While cake is baking, I am finishing regular tasks. Any special day or regular day, few work have to do. No excuses for this, right? But it's okay. It is part of our life. And cleaning our own house, doing house chores, we should not feel bad or we should not feel bored. In fact, let's see positive side. Cleaning house or the clean kitchen, clean house gives always good vibes and helps our mind fresh. Especially in this pandemic, we all learn this like doing our own house chore, it really gives some other satisfaction. This is my own thought. Yeah, now cake is ready. Now I will make some chocolate syrup. I have taken dark chocolate, 70% dark chocolate, and adding some butter, and I will keep in microwave for around 1 to 2 minutes, like until chocolate and butter will melt. That's it, and then we should mix it and the chocolate syrup is ready. Here I am making two parts of cake and I will spread chocolate syrup between them. I scrap some layer from cake to give proper shape and those scrap pieces only I am using for decoration. Finally, I need some cashew powder for final, decoration. So here I am grating some cashew. Finally, here I am making heart with cashew powder. Just simple. I have cut out heart shape on paper and just spread some cashew powder and that's it. And finally, cake cutting. Kids were waiting for cake, and even me and Mahesh. We all love freshly baked warm cake, so we always enjoy this cake. And I made little bigger size because for 2 3 days we can have and enjoy this like with chai, coffee. After that, some photo shoot. ये तो बनता ही है. and here we are for dinner. The restaurant name is The Village. Here we get Indian, Persian, and Turkish food. Very few restaurants are open for fully vaccinated people, so we were having very less choices, but selected this because we all love grilled food. Also, this restaurant is nearby our house. Thursday is usually weekday, like for husband also and for kids also. So all were little tired, so decided to visit this hotel. It's good. Grill food was good, and juices, mojito, everything was good. Ambience is really good. So we just ordered some grill and some juices. We didn't order any rice or roti, just we had a grill. That's it because we already had cake at home. We should end our special day with sweet, so we ordered tiramisu. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Take care. Until next time. Bye bye.